Hello everyone, welcome to another day of Nextdoor Automation, where I review tips and tricks, software updates, and help business owners to grow their presence on Nextdoor to get new leads for their business. So today I'm going to cover a new software update that I have seen on one of my customers' accounts located in France, and somehow I was very surprised not to see it already deployed in Canada. So if you're in US or in other countries, let me know in the comments if you've seen that software update appearing for you. So let me show you how it looks like. So I got a screenshot earlier today. So this is a new tab that appeared called Safety Updates, and I came back to my account on Nextdoor Canada, and I could not see it. So I was very surprised. First, it seems that the deployment was first done in France and not done in Canada yet, but let me explain how I think it works. So when you're posting a new publication, let me get it myself out of the way. Too big, you won't be able to see it. So you probably want to make a post and say, for example, attention, and you explain scammer identified, for example, or let's say potential scammer identified. So I've made a video not a long time ago about scammers that have been creating some fake accounts. We have seen them popping quite often, so I leave a video here to let you know how the technique I'm using in order to identify whether it's a scammer or not. So I think to create a safety post, I would definitely click here and continue, and that's where I would say attention, potential scammer identified, and then I would copy the link or explain the why. So for example, seen several fake accounts, and I would probably put a link and identify the fake account, but the tagging does not work here, so I would copy paste the account, so it will be something like nextdoor.com/profile and the identifier, which is a number of letters and numbers, and I would post it here. And I think that's the way to go to have a safety note appear here. I've not tried it yet. If you have seen that one, let me know. If you have tried posting like a safety update, let me know also. But here, for example, the post that that was coming up under the safety update was actually somebody in France trying to raise awareness and warn people to be careful. People pretending being from the Microsoft support and trying to get money out of your account for some kind of piracy protection, antivirus, and stuff like that. So you will probably see that more often coming up, and if you want to know all the tips and tricks and the strategies that I have developed over the years, you can get access to my Nextdoor blueprint. If you watch the video I'm going to show you now, watch it and get in touch with me, and I'll send you the latest version of that Nextdoor blueprint that I update weekly, on a weekly basis. That's it for today, and enjoy. Take care. Bye bye.